ma olumaya kwamba ni chata one yamana kwamba ni yasra olumaya simatama sadi mubayanwa na bayane madaruma etsina sikakra
ebusha yeza makaba mredo masa TV seme rebe no bofo ne wokafo aba bedre ano wone ne ma ai apani aba betru hanam wadi kan aba no pano na de toss mi no oba eni ayosi ana aba betru hanam masfim wadi kan ba ya no pano seme wasaba tumedi sha senyina wabasa so yefu eche da Popsika. Sebe kwa kumeno. Oni woni apani face. Ame eno mama bedu hanom. Ai. Nampala na papa pani face. Ame no so abedu hanom. It is me.
Of aggressive interview. When you want to a funny face. One ever no. Kakumeno. When you want to funny face. Yeah, my wedding up a year pa. Yamigo show. The aggressive man. Kakumeno. One funny face. And Kulakuranina, Papa, also and Sanso and the founder and leader, Yera, Prophets, also Papa, Nepa, also Babisana, Ebema, Uluma Yako, Obama Ulma Yako, it's yes, no, so. Kweku, Meno, Yamana Kobe, Papa, the aggressive man. One a funny face. You are winning a Yakusua. Ayeti, now what you got? Yakusua, Ayeti, a Kuba with Mensa. Nafia Pokuya, Niaba, Yamanaka, Yapa, Master Brantia, Masiano, Mr. Brantia, Mokaba. Now, yes, and Nama Papa, Makuta Casino. What do I create the CEO of Us Media?
Fire. Also on your friend Chobi. And Paso so on your friend Chobi fire ababi pim. Our Reverend above 4. Nemame, Nana Efia Pokia. Above 4 mame. International fire. On also ababi Drihanum as pim. Aye. Also on your friend Chobi.
Minister, Madaroma, to Mr. Announcement, Moya Mupejani, and bring it through. You cry and you bring that money in your face. I'll tell you how my Miska, and your day before, one in a Bushia, Negro. I'm a member of Open and Daway, a money of Maso. I'm Miska, DOP. I'm a Shanama, many of Bushia and William, Tanzania, and out of me. My Miska Namo. Reverend before Nigeria, what the engine my Miska Musumino, the data so you know. I know you're still funny than the idea. You're still
Salifo Amwako, when the Bishop Divine Jays of AKs, Womina Ewaha, Gabe Eshaw.
I'm saying, Salify, never not to pay you and Sam. And I'm more as soon as you see the ready at the corner. Offenses enter this year. Why?
1 week ago, I did a Bushia, and Kiamonsoa, and Kakaba, and Kiatisha. Then they say, audition and Quadani, and I care Bushiano, so thank you, Bunny, about the canopy, about you, Kuna, and your Kaho. The Antimian decided to know a year honorable thought of the youth minister, and myself as regional minister. You buy you cry, 700 million, that is 10,000 Ghana cedis. Yadima, Abusiano said, Adia Sana can't go from the Batasu for one, the Infante Kalasu. Youth Minister Wahay, Mabuna Waha, it is an assurance to you, say, His Excellency the President, Naniku Ejumaho, Ejumasemo, Naniku Health, sanitation, employment, trade and business, education, infrastructure. Nina ya dia wade ashe na so say you make sure say yen tutu ni ye wasaje ye so say ye ni mu nyina anya adwuma no emfa nkokopem say ebra amode ama no ye beso ye beselemo. Anytime you see anything wrong with government, make sure say obetwi ake ediesiso. Our doors are always open. You put us there, and we are ready to govern with you to make sure we build the Ghana we all want. On this note, I want to thank you all for your kind attention.
Asante Regional Minister.
Masa TV. Sebe brother Same. We need fire dika wa ha fe ne hu se brother Same so ababa be through hanumwa. Ono so ebema abusua and Reverend Obofo Yakov. Sebe the great brother Same. Be young son no brother Same. And also Ababidru Hanu. Same I feel Mama Esther and so Ababidru Hanum was the musician by quite intimate son of home and prayer and to phone in our friend so Ababidru Hanum on so ever met with Siani Abareno, Reverend Obofo Yakov. Similar Mama Esther on so Ababidru Hanum. While when your Mama Esther be at Master TV, no way to make any Mama Esther, I was so. For semi or therefore watching I feel so Ababidru Hanum. Sunset era Reverend Obofo Amane and I want to Sinti semi or therefore watching or non so Sony Onuya on an Afempon anyone I can come on so Abba Busian Reverend Obofo Yakov semi Nana or therefore watching and our own or in son. For Opoko Ajamai, Otumfo Chafo Hene, Seme Afena Nana, and so and then penny for and Atanam Kunya Abba Abe Pim, Ebema, a year, Reverend Obofo, Nina Busia Yako, Sanse, Nana Efia Pokia, Onye Nipa, Nubia, Kwarakwa, na say was a year na say to fan say ni si anemu wono ani twafo hene oye otufo twafo hene afo opoku agyeman na emprempren baba bedru hanum san say obofo wanto amane ne amamre anto antwene we say we nyamedwuma no to nkyɛn a wɔn fa na mane ne amamre sem eni agro ntine wo se nananom nso so ebo anan ebe piem ewo dwumadi ase the same radio bafo opoku agyeman santehene wotumfo ni twafo hene na aba abepiem ewo eye nana afia pokua adodo na bone sanemrane obofo maame na deduanan anane na wotweda ayeye no patase eye brother man ba bia ba na chi wonom pe eho na yeye maame na wotwe Busumi numnum ne de to so eye aduonu mienu 22nd of May yebe ye ma me de na tompem na ya kra no 24th enti ajamfo ne aboafo ewe chichi ne benche Reverend Obofo APC Nyankopon APC bofo o mo sre asre biem se Nyankopon ya dom APC Nyankopon man kwato obia eye busumi num ne de to so aduonu mienu no obia amra emeja eye Reverend Obofo nti prepare bafo oboku agyeman sante ne otumfo sei tutu de Kruwe ne krawe woma so ai ni twafo hene na aba bedru ha no busuya sade medika ka chia ono sense ye papa ya de nyina Reverend Obofo want to amane ne amamre asenti seme santini atui eye nananom atena nkonwa otumfo atena hene ne chidom hene ewa ha otumfo atena hene na nkobia hene na ye nana manchini esi ne so eye otumfo twafo hene bafo boku agyeman ai nana ne mu ato santini eba ababechia sanse ye nana afia pokua Reverend Obofo ne maame onye sebi nipa hunu bi akwara kwa enti prepare na bafo opoku agyeman na hunu foni ne so no ono na prepare bedru asante hini twafo hene no no bafo opoku agyeman Agyeman otumfo twafo hene ana aba bedru hanom no otumfo twafo hene bafo opoku agyeman seme waba aba bedru hanom wono ana ebetnem abezi sate hene anai enti seme yenana otumfo twafo hene bafo opoku agyeman ana seme uhunu emfoni ne so no ampa oye bema sade na Bafo opoku agyeman otumfo twafo hene
Something you know from more time. I just want to buy more time. There are so by 2,000 Ghana cedis, 2,000 Ghana cedis. It is got 20 million. So the lawyer Manakasi, a Ghana publishing company, was a BDH with the RC, and on the Dacia Brew. Now, no yet, yes, so yesterday. Kumasia boa for Santima boa for Mababoya. Now, a dear RC, no Nianum, Yapriwati and F. Yapokia, a Kuaba, yet in our Watuda. Nakupoya Tomoa. Eya busumi enum that also na dionu mi enum na dionu mi ensa nemom na dionu 9 na dionu no me 24 meminenda ne ne kwasi aba ne eya ikasi pa ya to tafra tom am ya behwe office Newtown na briwati wo hini ni owo ani ni wo bede wo break fa ni akatachie odi awisie ma me ya na bremponye wo office Newtown memenda no 10 school park and ye be ya no Nemom 22nd na ya wada ne 23rd ne de esramo nipa kuma bi ne efra won on de ye beto nsa afra kokoro mu when now so 24th May eya memene da and the 25th May ye kwasi ada ne de Ghana man nyina ne wiase nyina epu aba fenso wani wasi ka so wani wasase wani mo ani ko se bi kro na ya le ta we ke wisie ene woni anu nyina achi etu wa amma bo for na bo ya ne na bo ya na abuwesi na prepare ye no enye krabebe nyame okosua na onhye enti sabia na bukusu America no aye 24th 25th May na ya prepare na kasana na ye so ma ye 24th na ememeda ye pota kesia pa wiase na e ba fin so dental school pa 22nd and 23rd ni de na semuni pa kuma bi e na sabe kokrom ye fre won mata madaroma e bia na uba ye na ye ni foso odi awisie no oni anom ni antimi amemu akwa yetimi ana wase a itafidie so e do bibia se asofo pani eba ye ni na aya sofo prophet Etru yewra owaha sanso ena St. John's papa yewra so ewaha yamisa wonpa the eagle prophet so baha sanso ena onyamichia me aya prophet Jimalabi wonso baha sanso ena yade ni na prophet Igwe the one and only prophet Igwe wonso baha Bishop Divine Eche Calvary Life Chapel International yewra wonso etitwebrem wonka wonu woni yeti na yeti na watchuda na misa opa na me go show odi arisi e bofo wada ma me so pro na me so wadan odi ayine no na bo afo ayine tapa bo afo ayine ni chapter 1 wada ma ye be pro na tie me wura it's ha ma coffee Pentecost katila ka papa kamasia coffee Pentecost kamasia de ka papa you rasi opa ya 5,000 Ghana cedi 5,000 Ghana cedi it is 50 million said the year of Pentecost was see me and the actually we dey receive before and on nyame ocean pa
I'm I'm